Hey guys, welcome to another video here on the 67 Stang channel. So, as you saw, hopefully in the last video, I think it was, got the car running again, replaced that injector, and the Sniper seems to have really done the trick. Had her out, and so, a couple of days ago, well, actually now it's more like a week ago, took the old girl out to a car show. Yes, it's in our good place, Auburn, Georgia. They have that car show there every month. So this one was to raise toys and money for the Winder Fire Department to give to kids in need there in Barrow County, Georgia. So well worth it, enjoyed it. So I'm gonna go ahead and kick you over and let you see some photos. I didn't really shoot any video there because it's really hard to shoot video at the car show because they always have music playing and copyright issues and all that. So, and honestly, I just wanted to enjoy the show. So. I just wanted to enjoy the show, folks, and have some time there to just sit around and look at old cars and talk to folks and all that. So yeah, I didn't film it. I was lazy. But let's go and take a look at some of the cars that were there. There were some nice ones, some different ones, different age groups, age groups, vintage maybe, I don't know, there. So yeah, let's go take a look and then we'll come back. Well, there you have it, guys. That was the car show. Like I said, some very neat cars there. I always enjoy those. You know, it's fun just to talk to people. Invariably, I always get some stories of the one that got away. You know, I had a insert vintage car here. It could be a Mustang. It could have been a Chevelle, a Nova, an El Camino, a Camaro, a Corvette, whatever it was. That, you know, folks regret getting rid of at some point in time, but you know, life happens, and sometimes life priorities make you have to do those things. And yeah, it's you know, it is what it is, guys. I get it. I'm just very blessed here on the day after Thanksgiving to still have this old girl here with me that I can think back to when I was a youngster, and with my mom and dad riding in that little back seat before, you know, you had to have things like car seats and seat belts. And okay, maybe it wasn't the best time. But anyway, I had a great time back then to ride in this old car, and so many memories with this car. And you know, this car I was driving when I was dating my wife, or I started dating my now wife. She wasn't my wife. Anyway, back in high school there. So, you know, like I said, I'm very blessed on this day after Thanksgiving to have this car. Very excited. So one thing I have noticed since we got her running again is she is blowing smoke out the tailpipe. It seems to be worse as she warms up. Have not got a chance to really investigate if it's white smoke or blue smoke, or, you know, I have checked the dipstick. I don't see any, you know, if like a blown head gasket or something, like would it be coolant or something in the oil? I'm not seeing that. I did, when I redid the whole exhaust in the car, I had the head redone, and they were supposed to replace the valve stem seals, valve guide seals, whatever those are on the head when they did all that. So I don't think it should be that. You know, this motor is, the block at least, was rebuilt in 87, 88 when I blew up the original block there, and maybe one day I'll tell you all that story if I haven't already. So I don't know. So we'll have to do some investigating, find that out. Got other things. Still got to get the luggage rack. Got window regulators put on. So we got a lot of other things to happen. But, you know, what have I been doing today? Well, it's not been car related. Pardon me as I bring you down here some. So this is what I've been up to today. Yep, day after Thanksgiving Day, we start putting up some Christmas decorations. So if any of y'all have paid attention, my wife is a Disney fan. I have another word for it, but will be nice. So yeah, this is some of what we've been putting up in preparation for Christmas. Yes, and at some point we'll get to the inside, but I'm responsible for the outside for whatever reason. So with that, guys, thank you so much. I do hope you had a very blessed and wonderful Thanksgiving holiday. Like I did, I had a great time, great food. I made the turkey, and it kind of looked like this. As I pop a picture in here. Delicious bird, always, that's one of my favorite things there. But got to spend time with my dad, the original owner of the car. We had a couple of scotches, single malt. Can't go wrong with that. So with that, guys, again, hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving, and your holiday season is off to a great start. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all. So, yeah. She's still a work in progress, but I guess that'll always be the case. Still, good looking car. Good looking.